Good morning. Another long run day. Masinag. If Kurt doesn't show up, I'll be going to Cainta and Taytay. So 32 kilometers or something like that. If he does show up at the in Air Center, then we'll just go down to Masinag and back, and that'll be 2 weeks until race day. Okay. Coach in the red light district, the mini red light district. Sunday morning, traffic should be lighter. Yeah, traffic's a bit lighter. Oh, it's not that different. Ah, here we go. Well, I guess Kurt didn't wake up or something. I'm on my own today. Oh well, I'm used to it. It's all good. Morning, brother. Good morning. Going to Cainta today. Top of the hill, past Robinson Hall. Bit of a market area. There's three big hills, four downhill. Yeah, yeah. Oh well, on we go. Bit of a sketchy running in. Yeah, something fire. I didn't think keep your eyes open. So I think this is last up there before the big down. That good rep. Working on my go forever speed. Well, pretty, feel pretty good. All these cyclists, they have their heads down when they're going. About 2 minutes way down the hill. Just stop to send a message and have a drink. I feel pretty good. I'll be down at the bottom of the hill about 10 minutes and Getting light. Like to see the hill up there. How much further to go down the hill? How about the top of the down? Going up the hill. I'm doing the bird way. That's shrouded in fog or something. Bottom of the hill now. Couple of kilometers to Masinag. Not that not too bad. Feel like I'm okay. Well, Masinag. Intersection at the Sumalong Highway. And then it's down the Marcos Highway to and that's like wait a second. Taking my way on the Marcos Highway. Uh, do that up and down. On a serious. Almighty God. Dunkin' Donuts. I should stop there one day. That's great to try it. Good morning, Mom. Hi, guys. Here we go. We'll stay it down. Opo, nalipat. Well, Helix Avenue, up Hotel break, and a bit of a rest. Just a minute or so. We're in the note. Yeah, we did okay. I don't know, my big 2400 and a little frontage road. That's a Felix Avenue. Got the main road. Hey, morning. Glenn, huh? More tired I get. Shit, you the camera takes. The time of got anything figured out. Hey, morning. Morning. Hi. Yeah, they set up road checks. Make sure everybody's registered. The license, license plates. At the Ortigas extension. I go eat. Eat the Taytay. Not as busy as Monday, that's for sure. Pretty tired. On the Ortigas extension. At a traffic light on Ortigas. Traffic light's a big way of allowing me to take a break without feeling guilt. 39 seconds of break. Yeah, it's time to get it. Okay. I know. Look, get the rate, check, yeah. But this is with Kamote runner in trap. Yeah. I can step ahead and then back up another steep hill when you have flexible like that. And then if you got left, you'll have a long way to go. What's traffic? Circle attack night. And I find it. Yeah. There we go. Well, forgive us. You have to. It's like 4 kilometers long. It's something like that. Five. It's funny. In traffic, yeah, you go. Oh, yes, so, yes. Antipolo, so tall. Off the hill.
Well, Forrest, what do you think? Not bad for 34 kilometers. I think I'm ready for the Philippine Marine Corps 50K race this weekend, don't you?